Okay, so we were talking about initialization. Now, what is an initialization? This is basically a processing block. What is a processing block? Just for simpler understanding, is just like a residential block. Okay, in real world terms, it's like a residential block. And initialization is used in uh, programs, executable programs. Okay. Okay. Initialization. Now, this initialization, which means that whenever the program will start, it will load this part. Okay. And let me just deactivate this one. And whenever it will initialize, also initialization means that the variable is populated or triggered or filled up, right? The input was this will be right justified, right? P name and every syntax of ABAP, when it is concluded, it will actually conclude with a full stop. That is a part of the syntax. Okay. Now, before actually going next, let me just check. Okay, no syntax errors. Activate. Direct processing. P name, Tuesday, execute. Okay. If I remove this, activate. Okay, the input was Tuesday and initialization was actually somehow blocking it. It was not actually getting triggered properly because we have parameters, and after it was after parameters, it was initializing. So what we'll do, cut it from here, paste it here, initialization, activate. Still not triggering out. So initialization has some issues with getting the program executed. Anyways, now utilities, settings, front-end editor. Utilities, settings, and front-end editor. Source code-based editor, pattern, text-based editor, display all, also display package errors, extended program, flag error. Lowercase, uppercase keyword. Keywords will be uppercase, split screen. Okay, debugging. Okay, let's keep it default. I just want to show you that this is also one area where you can explore. Now, let me just deactivate this. And let me activate this one. Okay. Parameter P name P10 type C start of selection. Now, what is start of selection? A start of selection is also a processing block. Okay. At start of selection, whenever the program is starting, what it will do? It will load this right input. The input was right justified. At selection screen, the first screen, that is the first screen to select, the output will be P name and end. And if I actually give a colon, I'll not give a colon right now, we'll just check.